So, the problem with recording anything in the outdoors is the fact that most of the time the camera is quite a distance away from the subject. As in this case, my camera is at least 200 feet away and I'm using a long lens. Besides the wind noise, there's no way for the camera to detect any of the audio, including my footsteps. So I have a wind protected microphone that I can use to record the footsteps, and of course that's not recording my voice that I'm using a lavalier mic for. Here's a good example of why you want to use a lavalier and a wind protected mic. This is the audio from the camera, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is the audio from the lavalier mic, audio lavalier mic 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and putting it all together. So this lavalier mic that I'm wired for my voice is recording the voice. I'm just using my cell phone as a recorder. It's not the best device, but it does the job for now. And I'm using a Rode Wireless Go 2 mic. This is a fairly capable microphone. It's also omnidirectional and it has a nice windsock. So I'm just using that to get rid of the wind noise, and I just held it close to my feet as I was walking along. So eventually what I'll do is mix the two audio tracks and I'll overlay this audio on top of my footsteps, and hopefully it works out. So Foley is the art of recreating sounds after the fact. Because you couldn't carefully place a microphone to record the sound, you had to go recreate it with implements, tools, pieces of equipment that really are not the real thing. So here, let me show you an example in Alaska where obviously I was outside. There's lots of distance between me and the camera and some of these scenes. So let's take a listen. I'm going to show you the before and then the after. Audio is just the in-camera audio. So here we go. And here, the same clip, take a listen to this one with post audio. Well, that's a little bit of the art of Foley, the art of adding audio during the post-production process. If you guys enjoyed that, thanks very much for watching. If you care to leave a comment, that'll be great. If not, that's also okay. I really appreciate your time watching the video. Hope to see you in the next one, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for stopping by.